Okay, so we're here in Basingstoke. Going to be doing a Subway, the one and only. Sean, please don't order.
You're getting that one?
Oh yeah, it'll be alright.
Right.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
That's all right.
Order on the machine.
On here. Not her. Take it down, take it down. Right. No server.
Do you have to order on there, or can you order?
4G, I don't work.
Yeah.
What 4G?
Sorry. Excuse me.
Sorry, man.
You're my hotspot.
Hi. I want a 16 sub, please. Honey oat. Chicken tikka. And yeah, cheese and toasted. And just a salad. Sorry. Not very well organised. Everything no jalapeno. Okay. Yeah. And the onion sauce, please. Yeah. I want the macadamia cookie as well, please. Yeah. Oh, there. Yeah, it's very chunky, isn't it? Ah, lovely. I may as well have, is it like a meal deal thing? Is it?
You can get a drink as well with that.
Yeah?
Straight into that.
Well, I'll have a Dr. Pepper out, please. Just pay the extra.
That's £7.19, please.
I can't reach it. You can zap it the other way around. Is that done it?
Would you like your receipts?
Yes, yes. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Do that. Well, I'm going to go over here and give my verdict on that. That was absolutely ridiculous. What on earth have they got those things there for? Well, I can understand they want to do, you know, make it people order online and all that crap. But you can't even see what's there. Yeah, I'm not going to give this one a high mark. I didn't even see what he put in it, so it might be wrong. But I'm going to be eating it later, so on the way home. So that is Subway. I believe there's only one. And we're in Basingstoke. So like and share, subscribe. And of course come back again for another one very soon. Bye for now.